Hello everyone and welcome to a vlogging type video. Today we are going to a fireworks show on Beach Road in Great Yarmouth. Trust me, I'm not able to upload it on the day if I wanted to. We're approaching the amusements where it's going to be, and there's a few like cuts and such. We'll see you there, I guess. Oh my, welcome back. It's been a second since we've been here, but it's been like 5 minutes since I've been recording. See that in the distance, that little light blur that I've just zoomed in on? That is the amusements where it's all taking place. Shh. They don't know that. Oh my. Well, you can see Caesars from here, along with a few car lights. And this shop. Now, this is being shot in Great Yarmouth. Trust me, it's a lovely place. Just don't come in the winter. It's cold as all hell. Seriously. Antarctica's less cold than this. Now, I'll play it. Well, see you in just a second when we're back, when we're up by the arcades again. Okay, we're back and we're probably the amusements. The fireworks are supposed to be going off at 10, correct? Yeah. Well, the amusements are fun at this place. Trust me, they got 2p machines for days. And days.
That was a big room.
We're ready to get some chips before our little firework fiasco. Oh, look at Palace Casino. Place is nice. That's like Caesars, Palace Casino, then a bit further down you'll be able to see like a tricoloured Mirage. That's the Mirage. And then over the road from that it's the Sands. If you're planning on coming down here, trust me, you'll like my advice. And it looks like you're playing Bioshock Infinite. Look, Force Order! Oh wait, that's Skyrim. Never played any of those games, but I know their memes. Yeah. Well, I might as well keep the camera rolling. What exactly are you missing? Well, trust me, I know this place like the back of my hand. I've been that many times. We go like once a year. Never really at the same time. There's like the Palace Casino. They even have like golf here. Oh, fish and chip shop. Nice. Well, I'm gonna pause the camera until we've finished our chips. Until then, see you guys in just 1 second. I lied. It's been about 10 seconds. Well, there's like, that's Sands. Then there's the Mirage. This one's Palace Casino. You got machines for days. Seriously, you could order a person in these things. They're still in the chip shop. Huh. They even got this little F1 racing thing for kids. Hang on. Look, see that little stand? Yeah, that's like F1 racing for kids or something. I don't know. Well, there's like down there, that's where the people who live around here live. Oh, you see that little like... Well, I'm going to see you in just a sec, and then I'll show you like where the fete is, because there's like always a fair going on 364 days in a year, or 365 if it's a late year, because no one works on Christmas. Yeah, so I'm working on Christmas. You want to repeat that? Lol. Still, I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay then.
Oh, well, nice.
Oh no. Welcome back everyone. In the time that we've been away, I have had a very nice conversation, for once. We have walked 10 paces, and we've had our chips.
Getting an ice cream.
Oh, they do the best ice creams here. Food Palace. Here's the Mirage, there's Sands.
Alright, I'll get an ice cream.
Call flip and read it.
No.
Now, here's like the fair. Not all of it. There's a big slide, but I doubt it's open. Gigantic action. Sands, Mirage. Is that it? There's F1. I've already said that. Now there are a fat lot down here. There's like Little John's gift shop, pretty eye open. I'm gonna get over to you. Oh, bless little sausage dog. I'm gonna stay over this side. I don't want to walk in the middle of the road. No more sand. God, this thing's flipping huge. It's like a behemoth. That giant sign, and I think we might. Yeah, there's a slide now. Like it's a flipping behemoth, man. My sister went on it yesterday. Little John's Shop of Horrors. I'm just kidding, there's no horrors. The only horrors that are in there are probably the shoppers. There's like a market here. Can't really see, can ya? Now look, all the strobe lighting and stuff. There's like fireworks down here, but there's Mr. B's further on down, the mini golf course. You can do like all sorts. Now I'm gonna head into the video until the fireworks start shooting. So, oh wait, we am gonna go past Mr. B. So, well, the fireworks are gonna be shooting. Trampolines. I'm gonna be going on them tomorrow. Mr. B's trampolines are awesome. Oh no, it's Mrs. B's. Oh, I thought it was Mr. Bean. It's Mrs. Bean then. Derp. Ignore me. Now, Miss MB's leisure bars, some like backflips, trampolines, like a bit of a house. Now, I'd recommend going on when the boys are there and not when the old man's there, so that you can have unlimited time. Lol. Here's a miniature golf course. It's more of Stonehenge. Not yet. We've still got a lot more to do. Got leisure bar, key play area up there. Full House, I think it's called. What else? There's that one place where it only serves jacket potatoes. Rocking Tunes. I'm just kidding, I don't really give two stuffs about this song. Now there's like seafood. Oh no, we're at the Behemoth Beach. Public toilet section.
LA
summer.
Before you start pushing off.
You haven't got your change?
You gotta pay it.
No. Well, I'm gonna cut ahead into the video until the fireworks start, so see you then. Gangnam Style. The fireworks ain't started yet, I just felt like Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Gangnam Style. Hey. Someone do Gangnam Style. I can see someone doing it. Okay, she's not doing it anymore. Damn. Sad face. Well, I'm gonna put it into the video until, well, yeah. Firework time soon. Yeah, someday. It's absolutely piercing my ears. They're all doing it. Big guys over there. Unfortunately, can you see our flipping course? Look at that night sky, it's so pixelated. Pixelated out wrong. Well, still waiting for them fireworks. It'll be like 10 minutes for us, but 1 second to go. Back in a bit.
Are you ready?
We're starting now.
Let's start. Are you ready? 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice! And we're in the middle of summer. This isn't really celebrating anything. This is just for fun. Holy crap! Oh my. Okay, this ain't really much, is it? This ain't much. Okay, that's better. That's an improvement at least. Nui. Oh my. How many voltals exploded in this one? Oh, that's what they do. We can't launch them up, they blow them up. Oh my. We're gonna go up the hill. See you in a bit. In that 1 second, we've gotten up here.
Advantage!
Nice. Wouldn't it be nice to bring someone special here? Hey mate, wouldn't it be nice to bring someone special here? Don't push me. No, I'm just saying, wouldn't it be nice? Nice. Holy shoot. Maybe it's gone back there.
There's nothing.
I'm recording as best I can. Hang on, I'm gonna get back.
No.
Just gonna put it up there. There's anything remotely decent gonna happen. Nice! Blue and lovely. Blue and Blue and beautiful. Feel on the side of it, watching it. I hate this song. No, seriously. That song playing in the background, I put it there. It's playing during the event. Holy mother of meal tank. There's like two builds. Wonder how many kids are trying to sleep. They're cool because there's like, God, it sounds like the Blitz, except better. Because I'm dying. Nice. Oh, I bet you can hear him from Mrs. B's. Okay, this is free. And this isn't the school's bonfire night, so good I guess. Launch a few off at once. You know, don't be afraid to break a nail. This is awesome. Oh my. And if any of you are wondering, I'm not exactly travelling on anywhere anytime soon. Though I am planning on going to Crete sometime during the 6 weeks, so watch out for that one. I'm leaving fairly close to September though. Well, hang on, I'm gonna cut ahead a bit. See you in a bit. Okay then, we're back. I had to change my position. Nettles were cutting in. Well, just happy I can share this moment with you guys. This is awesome. Come on. Well, then again, it's free. This is on my holidays, so I'm expecting thank yous. No flowers, please. No. Oh well, I guess we got some pretty decent songs. Well, oh, don't spend any money trying to get decent. Look at that sea. It's completely black. You cannot see it at all. Plus, I plan on doing a vlog soon. Well, a bit sooner on. And I'm not sure when the video will want me to stop, so yeah.
Why don't you just end it now?
Well, I'm gonna end it. Well, after this song ends, I'll end the video whenever my phone wants to kind of cut itself. Well, I'm gonna cut ahead in the video because I have to move. Okay, then we're back, and oh God, didn't fall back then. That would have been funny to get on camera. You can barely see anything except these flipping fireworks. That's sunset. That side, this shot, Mrs. B's, and somewhere else. No. Oh, there it is. Can't quite see it, and I'm looking out. I'm looking through my phone, so what you're seeing is what I'm seeing. That was disappointing. Oh, there it is. Looks like that's disappointing, I believe. I'm gonna look past the phone, and then I'll just get it on camera. Better. Well, I don't really have anything to talk about, so yeah, just enjoy.
Just end it.
Enjoy the show, I guess. Guess you got a bit of. Just enjoy it. Holy shoot. What the hell? Never mind. When I said I entered it with the stop, I lied. You can't see my hand, can you? Well, it's dark and I'm kind of... Okay, thanks for watching, everyone, and see you next time. Bye. Well, no, my phone's just glitching. Okay, it's back. So we're not ending things off here. Yay! Nice. That was awesome. I'm glad I could share this moment with you guys. It's like in Animal Crossing with the Aurora thing. If you don't know about that, Google it. Holy shoot. People are recording this. Don't steal my idea. No. Wondering where they shoot them from. I thought they were going to shoot from like a boat. Now this is better. Turn down your volume a bit. It's going to get hectic. Then again, we were. Look at this. Yeah, no one's sleeping until 10 or whenever the time is. I can't check because, you know, shooting off the phone. This is awesome. This is awesome. Oh no. Holy crap. This is fire. That was awesome. That was
Big cheer for the Hemsley fireworks.
Okay then. That was
Don't forget
awesome.
as well, if you'd like to see more fireworks and come down throughout the summer, starting from July the 22nd and every Tuesday right through to August the 26th. So make sure you do come here, see the fireworks every week. And one last time,
You heard the man. Whenever you...
big cheer for the Hemsley fireworks.
Oh my. Yay! Now, whenever you come, just feel free to check out the fireworks while they
So
throw
make
it
sure if you
anyway.
have enjoyed
Whoa!
them, make sure if you took any pictures
That was
as
a
well,
joke, I
put them on
did
Facebook.
Okay then.
So we'll make sure you send them round so everybody knows that
Okay,
Hemsley is a place to be.
I'm gonna
this
head
summer,
back to
every
my
Tuesday
chalet.
night from July the 22nd to come and
I'm
see
gonna
the
head back to my
fireworks.
chalet and I'll see you all, well, in the next Rhino Chronicles episode, I guess, or whenever. Whatever I'm supposed to learn next. Hi. Motherfucker. Look. Woohoo! Well, as soon as. Well, let's end on an image of a light. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Bye!